So I have a OnePlus phone with me, and this is an older OnePlus. And in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where the OTG connection keeps turning off. Now, in a previous video, I showed you a solution for this, and the solution may or may not have worked for you, and I'll link it down below. Check out if it works for you. But if it didn't, then this is yet another way you can get that OTG connection to stay on. Now, on OnePlus devices, to enable the OTG connection, all you have to do is go into settings. So go into your app drawer and select settings. And then under settings, you want to scroll down and select additional settings if you have an older OnePlus. But if you have any of the new OnePlus devices like the OnePlus 13 or the OnePlus 15, all you have to do is select accessibility and convenience. And once you tap on that, you should see a setting like this one named OTG connection. So you need to toggle this on for you to be able to use OTG devices on this phone. That's whether you're using wireless microphones with receivers on them or any other device that requires you to use an OTG device to connect. Now, as you can see, it says this automatically turns off if it's not used for 10 minutes. Now, for some devices, this turns off even when you connect the OTG device to your phone. And like for me, I was experiencing this with a wireless microphone I was using, where it has this Type-C receiver that once I connect to my phone, it's going to work with this option enabled, but after 10 minutes, it's going to turn off. Now, the workaround or the solution I got for this was to get an OTG adapter like this one. And as you can see, this is Type-C to Type-A. So once I connect the OTG adapter to my OnePlus like that, with this option enabled, or once I connect and enable this option, I can now connect the OTG device, whether it's Type-A or Type-C, and I can connect it to this end, and it's now going to stay on for more than 10 minutes. Now, like I said, I have a receiver that is Type-C, and there's no way I can connect this particular end to the Type-A end. So what I used was yet another OTG device, which is Type-A male to Type-C female, just like this one, and connected it to this end of the OTG device that I have connected to my phone. So connect it like that. And once I connect it like that, I can now use the Type-C end, the Type-C female, to connect to my receiver. And as you can see, it's going to start detecting the microphone. And once the microphone is detected, if it's not in use, it's going to connect. And now this option is going to remain on for as long as I don't turn it off, and it's going to remain on for more than 10 minutes. Now, this workaround worked for me, and I hope it works for you. If it didn't, check out the video that I'll link down below that can work for you if this one didn't work. But that's basically how to keep the OTG connection on for more than 10 minutes on any OnePlus phone. Now for me, I was using the OnePlus Nord CE 5G, but this will apply to any OnePlus phone, including the new OnePlus 13 and the most recent OnePlus 13 rather, and the newest OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave your comments and questions down below. Until the next one, take care and God bless.